Okay, so I want to do the same thing with my address here as well. Oops, I don't want this. That's the direct select tool. I just want the normal select tool. So let's select my address. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Again, I'm going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path. I want to make this a little bit bigger. I want this to stand out. So let's try 0.9. Let's see what that looks like. A bit more. It's too indecisively different. Let's zoom out. I think that looks good. Let's press OK. Let's zoom out and see what I got. Pretty good. I think I want it to be even thicker than that. So I'm going to undo, and I'm going to go back to where I was at before. So path, I'm going to offset my path. Let's try 0.12 maybe of an inch. I like that better. Okay, so now I'm going to grab my direct select tool, and I'm going to click on the old version, and I'm going to delete those, being careful that I'm deleting these, that I'm not just deleting the lines, I'm deleting the entire shape. So now I can scroll out. So now it's looking ready to go. This is the last step for me to make some final adjustments. One of the things that I'm looking at here is the distance between the 0 and the 8 and the 1 and the 0 isn't exactly the same. So if I go in here, I'm going to grab my direct select tool. I'm going to click on this, and if I double click, now I can select just the O, and I'm going to just nudge this over with the arrow keys just to make it even. Sometimes you need to do this with the letters as well, and it's going to be dependent on the font that you have. So double click off of my design. I'm going to get rid of this test piece over here. And that's all I need to do to be able to cut my sign out. And at this stage, what I mean by cut the sign out is not cut the sign out on the CNC yet, but what I want to do is I want to remove the areas of black that are overlapping with the light colored areas. So the next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to create something called a cutter. And this cutter is going to be the thing that actually cuts the black out of my sign.